Come and play with us, Kiki! This is not a small hill. It is... Wow! It's a big dinosaur! What a huge dinosaur! Its curved back looks like a hill! Let's check out what dinosaur this is. The world is amazing! Let's keep learning! Smart tablet! Activate!
Sharp bone plates that look like swords. Strong and powerful limbs. A long tail with spikes on it. A small head with a pointy snout. Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus is an herbivorous dinosaur that existed during the Cretaceous period. It has sharp bone plates on the back and 4 bone spikes on the tail.
Stegosaurus? Got it. As there are many bone plates as sharp as swords on its back, the dinosaur is called Stegosaurus. You are right. Quacky is so clever. Hey! Bone plates are the most special parts for Stegosaurus. Let's check them out. Stegosaurus has many bone plates on its back. Let's connect to see what the shape of bone plates is. Pentagon. Triangle. The bone plates of Stegosaurus are usually pentagonal or triangular. They look like swords. Look! Just like the armor, the bone plates can protect the back of Stegosaurus from being bitten by bad dinosaurs. Wow! The bone plates of Stegosaurus are fantastic! Besides bone plates, Stegosaurus has a more powerful weapon. What is it? What is it? Look, it's right on its tail! Kids, what does the tail of Stegosaurus look like? A. There is a bony club on its tail. B. There are sharp spikes on its tail. C. There are feathers on its tail. Whoa! That's right! You are right! Stegosaurus has 4 long spikes on its tail, and they are very sharp, like spears. Stegosaurus has sword-like plates on its back and spear-like spikes on its tail. Stegosaurus is just like a warrior. You're right. Quacky, look. Ah! Bad dinosaur! Let's go. Let's see how Stegosaurus fights off bad dinosaurs. Dinosaurs have all been driven away. You're great! Quacky, what have you learned about Stegosaurus? Oh, Stegosaurus has bone plates on its back for self-protection. Stegosaurus has 4 spikes on its tail. Stegosaurus uses its tail to fight off enemies. That's great! Quacky is so clever. Hey! Next, let's fix the dinosaur model.
Quack, 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 quack.
Kids, have you got it? Let's piece together Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. Let's check out what animal this is. Stegosaurus. Let's try to find Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus has a very small head. Stegosaurus has bone plates on its back. Stegosaurus has 4 spikes on its tail.